What's up everybody? If you are a SimplyBook.me user, you're aware that each SimplyBook.me account comes with a dedicated booking page. The URL or address of this page normally consists of your company name and SimplyBook.me or another SimplyBook domain. What if you wanted to use a completely custom address for the exact same page? In order to achieve this, you should first register your desired domain with the registrar of your choice. You can look up popular domain registrars online. Once the domain is registered, or if you already have a domain you would like to use, you can navigate to the custom features page of your SimplyBook.me account and enable the custom domain name feature. Clicking the button with the price will redirect you to the payment page where you will be able to pay the one-time activation fee. Once the payment is processed, you will be able to go into the settings of this custom feature to copy the IP address that will map your domain to the booking page. Kindly refer to the documentation provided by your hosting provider for instructions on setting up an A record, or contact them directly for assistance with setting it up. Also, please make sure there are no conflicting records for the domain or subdomain you would like to use, as these will interfere with the proper setup. It can take about 30 minutes for the new A record to propagate. However, it can take up to 48 hours if you just registered the domain. Once the A record has propagated, you will be able to enter your domain or subdomain into the dedicated line in custom domain name settings. This will trigger the final step of the setup. After DNS propagation, your custom domain or subdomain will resolve directly to your booking page. If you're looking for a way to embed our booking interface into an already existing website, kindly refer to a dedicated tutorial on this topic. We hope you found this video helpful. You can find more tutorials like this on our YouTube channel. Please do not hesitate to like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.